All right, good morning, good morning. Let me send this out. It is Tuesday, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. All right. What do I have over here? I got YM. Should we get fast on? Maybe, because things have been kind of slow when we don't have fast, and we like a little entertainment in our life. Tick. Sure. Yes. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to put fast on just for entertainment value because sometimes things have been a little slow lately. But gold is doing really well. Gold is up over $600 today. It starts overnight, so it's been running as we've been sleeping. Ooh, don't talk to me in abbreviations. I'll get excited. Okay. No, seriously though, I had to force myself to know what the abbreviation was yesterday, and now now I know. Now I just know. All right. We had a good little morning huddle today. Let me put this on. 2 minutes to market open. All right, I have fast on, I have Santa to the right, I have YM scalper, I have gold. Again, look at this. This was a short that gold just took. Actually didn't get it, but a bunch of people in the group did, so congrats to them. Look at that. Look at that short. But it had a win here, it had a win here, it had a loss here. And a win here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 3 for 4. And it just had another trade. I didn't get that, but so 4 for 5. We talked about, this is the chop zone today. Oh, I told Dana. Well, Dana, I'm going to have to get with you after the call. Oh, Addison missed the call. No, Addison, I can do, Addison, I made you a manage moderator. I don't know. YouTube said there's this new thing. And, yeah. So there's that. Gold has been one of my favorite plays. Dana got me into this. So all credit goes to Dana for sure, because he really got me focused on gold a few weeks ago since he's been in the group. And it's been fire. So we talked about this as an option. Our ultimate target is 17. Where's our for 16? Why? I wonder why. We talked about you could take the short from the chop zone, but I wasn't going to do that. I was going to wait until this break of 50. And now from 50, we are down at 30. And then the ultimate target being 17, 18. No, Dana, seriously. No, I am totally serious that I really appreciate you. And that's why, yes, this is my business, but if people share things that they find, they're just being a greater good for the whole group. Nobody will ever send me something and then I'll keep it from it. All right, here we go. That's the target that we wanted. So any student that took the short from the student call this morning, we hit target. But no, seriously, because some people, and I get it, some people are really busy, they don't have time to contribute, or they might not want to. But for the folks that do, I really appreciate you willing to share things that you've found that work for you, because it's hard for me as just one person to there's an infinite amount of testing I could do. You could even with just one strategy like bold range, you could test just the stops. How many different stop sizes could you have? And then the targets, and then the times of the day. And then and then you have to think about which
Order
product
submitted.
does that work for us. So then it's the product.
Order filled.
Fast had a long loss. And then the product, and then the time frame. And then so even if you say, okay, well, I'm going to use a minute chart. Okay, well, which minute? 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. It's the testing, the amount of testing, and I've been doing this now for 3 years, is infinite. Fast isn't a $500 long here. Like, it never ends. So, and I need to get on TikTok. But it literally never ends. So when other people have time, or maybe, you know, in groups they've been in the past, or trading that they've done in the past, they're like, oh, this chart is really helpful for this product and I really like it, then, you know, that helps me, which then helps the entire group. And I'm super thankful for people like that. So thank you again, Dana. You are awesome. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. All right, I'm live on TikTok. It's actually sunny today, which makes me really happy. It was kind of sunny yesterday too. So this is fast. It had one loss. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, you already have that on the zone? Jose, I just got on. Go there, share the link, tap the screen, please. Show some love. If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up. There's 50 of you. There's only 11 thumbs up. Fast is in this long green $500. It's getting stuck at 25. I can't wait to see how many students. All right, we're green 650 on this long. Remember, this is my auto trading algorithm. If you're new here, it trades for me. It gets me in the trade. It gets me out of the trade. It moves my stop loss up. Like you can see here, this is a trailing stop right here. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Green, $900 on this long now. Thanks, Elizabeth. Good morning, and happy Valentine's Day to you too. I'm not like a savvy person at all, so I kind of said it like jokingly. Yes, gold is smoking, Tom said. I'm so excited that you guys get to experience gold now, because I've been testing it for the past few weeks. You know, like even when somebody sends me something, even if it looks great on, you know, historical data, I'm still always going to run it. Thanks for the likes, guys. I'm still going to run it in simulation for 2 or 3 weeks, and that's what I did with gold. Last week it was green like $2,000. The week before it was like $1,000. So it's looking like a pretty nice setup. And today is doing really well too. Please tap that screen, send some likes. We're in a $1,200 long here of the NASDAQ. One contract. Remember, if I don't specify the product, it's always going to be the NASDAQ. So yeah. So I'm excited now that the members get to use gold because I released it on Friday. Good morning. Hi, Kev. Oh, guys, remember, today is the last day. Gold's already available, Nobo. It was released on Friday. It was given to everyone Friday evening, and it was posted in the announcement channel, and it's highlighted yellow in the settings spreadsheet. So people are already running it. Like yesterday, it had a red day for like $500. Today, it's already green, like over $600. So I'm not sure what you're asking. What time did what enter? This trade? 9:32. Green, $900 on this long. It was as high as $1,200. You can always take this stop loss and move it up if you wanted to. I don't do that because I let my algorithm trade for me 100%. But you can do that if you're using my algorithm. You can take the stop loss and move it up. You can see we're back at 1,100 now, almost at 1,200. Nice big move here. $1,250. There we go. Look at that. Push, push, push. 1,400 on this long. I'm going to have to redo that. That looks like crap. 1,600 on this long. See why I don't exit early. Yep. So gold is in the group. Go check it out. Let me send this to Amy. Yeah, I know. I don't know what I don't know. Yeah, we trade. We do not trade during large reports like the CPI report at 8:30. We do not trade during the report, but yes, we trade the day before, the day after, the day of. Yeah, absolutely. And we've been killing it. We got the drop. Um, that was the main focus this morning. We got the drop here. This was discussed in the live student call. If you're a student of mine, if you've taken my mentorship, then you get a live call with me every morning from 8:45 a.m. to 9:15. We discussed you could take the short here under the chop zone at 93, or you could wait until under 58 or 50, and then the target was 17, and it went all the way to like 400 or 90. So it went even like an extra 20 points under where we were hoping it would go. We're still in this long. Hey, Ninja. So again, the minimum to add to your NinjaTrader account is going to be $3,000. Most people trade with $5,000 to $10,000 in their NinjaTrader account. Awesome. Jesus, that sounds great. This is NinjaTrader. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yesterday we had a huge day with range. Oil was 1 for 2, but then ES was 1 for 1, and Q was 1 for 1, RTY was 1 for 1, and YM, which one of my members was running, was 2 for 2. No, we do not trade options, but we trade a whole bunch of different products. So, and everything is on the futures market. So we trade the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, copper, the E-mini natural gas. Like, we got a lot going on. So 6E, which is the euro currency. So yeah, and you get all of that when you join the group. Awesome. Hello again. Have a good session. Yep, we already are. This trade is green, $1,400. It had a $200 loss before this trade. Gold is up over $600, $700 so far on the day. Oil was 2 for 2 last night. I don't run oil live on Tuesdays, but some people did, and it was 2 for 2 for $600. So it's not a site. Oh, this is NinjaTrader, but it's a desktop platform. So if you want an account, you would have to go and apply for an account with NinjaTrader. I mean, all pages. That doesn't even make any sense. You're on my cell phone. I can't show all pages. I'm typing over here to my group, and then you guys over here are watching the trade. This is the only trade that's happening right now. So that's all you need to worry about. YM is actually in a long as well. We have this trade as well. So YM is in a long, but that's it. YM and NQ. Yeah, well, these aren't stocks, so we don't care. These are futures. We trade the shorts. We trade the longs. We trade when it goes up. We trade when it goes down. We're in this trade green, $1,800. Like, if you guys can tell, we were in this trade since 9:32. It's almost been 10 minutes, and you can see our entries all the way down here. We're green, $1,800 on this trade. The price is right here. You can see it right there. No, I do not post signals. This is a fully automated algorithm. It trades for you. Green, $1,800 now. It is 100% automated. $2,000 on this long, $2,200 on this long. This is from 9:32. It's been a 10-minute trade with one contract. Is green, $2,200. Yeah, 323 is the March contract. That's what we're in. Correct. This is the NASDAQ March contract. No, this is mine. I've built all of this. I am leasing it. If you would like more information on leasing my algorithms, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. The person that asked about signals, if you take my mentorship, so I have a mentorship which is separate from the algorithm altogether. They are nowhere the same. They're not together. If you take my mentorship, then you do get 1 free month in the group where I give alerts. All right, it locked up that trade, $1,775. It did have a $200 loss before that, so it's taken 2 trades so far. You can see that here, $1,775, 2 trades. The biggest loss was $200. The biggest win was $1,975. So that long locked up $1,975. So if you're new here, I go live every day showing my algorithm. Now we're in a short for $200, guaranteed green. It just took the offset there. I'm doing this other NQ one and it's 2 for 2 already for $2,000. This one. We'll see how that goes. Where's Terrence? He would love that shit. Are you on this live, Terrence? Yep, sure thing. It's pretty normal. This happens like every day. We are used to this. We're back in the chop zone. If you're a student, you also get the chop zone every day by 7 a.m. You get this yellow line, which is the LIS, every day by 7 a.m. So the NQ fast is green, $1,650. YM is red, $200. Santa is red, $100. I'm going to put all that in the sheet so you guys have it. We have a spreadsheet that has all of the results, like all of the data that comes in for the day. Santa is 125. YM is 200 in the red. Gold is positive. I missed that short, but I think it's like 700. Either Tom or someone else is going to have to let me know. Yes, the algorithm only works on NinjaTrader. That is the only platform it works on. Correct. Hi, David. Good morning. Did you see that huge run-up on Fast? Look at this. It was from 932 to 942. It made $2,000 on one mini. You got the short on gold. Nice. What's the total so far? Is that, I never know. Top Gun? Is that Bess? David? Yeah, HG is performing really well. That's copper. Copper made $925 yesterday. Silver made $525 yesterday. We had a lot of nice movers yesterday. So if you cut it down by product, ES is around 84% profitable over the last 13 months. NQ is 95% profitable over the last 13 months. We're not in any live trades right now, so I'm just kind of hanging on this screen. NinjaTrader is a broker. NinjaTrader, not traders with an S, just trader. Bess, 850 on the short. On what? Okay. Wait, you're 850 on the day, or you made 850 on that one short? Get out of here. I was not even in that trade. I'm so sad. Look at this, y'all. He made $850 on this short. NinjaTrader. Stop putting an S. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Not fair. Nice. Tom took a contract off at $1,400 for gold. Oh my gosh, you guys, I freaking missed that. Usually she's offended by the S. Exactly. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to ignore that person. This is what I'm saying. People give up on something way too fast. Literally, I had one red day yesterday. It's been green the past 2 weeks. Just one. It's just one contract that was shown in the last little bit. You can see that here. It says just one long, one at. Just one contract. This is one individual mini right here. One at. Oh, shoot. Hold on one second. Sorry. Are you guys still there? Let's see if it picks it back up. Sorry, I had to disconnect on TikTok because... Is it still unstable connection? Is it going to work? Hold on one second. Morning. All right. Sorry. I'm back. Is the connection better? Sorry. I had to go into an app on my phone and then it disconnected. Santa is in a long. It's a little bit of a tricky area up here, but Santa's in a long. It might get stopped. So see, oh, I was going to show you. It shows you in that box that it's just one contract. But yeah, you can see it here, one at. So it's one mini NQ that costs $1,000. But I always tell people that if they want to run minis, they need to have at least 7 to 10K in their account. Obviously, they don't have to listen to me because you could run a mini with as little as $1,000, but that's not a good idea. All right, we are seemingly rejecting off the LIS. Thanks, Carter. What would you run with 5K? Yeah, so just micros. So you can run the same exact stuff that I'm running now, but it would be on a micro chart, which means that it's 1/10 of the size, 1/10 of the profit, 1/10 of the loss. So like, you know how I just made, in this trade, we made $2,000 off of one mini, right? So that $2,000 on one micro would be $200, not $2,000. So that's the difference with micros to minis. But people in my group that run micros usually run 2, 3, 5 micros. So if you made $200 on one micro in this trade, 5 micros would have put you at $1,000. So and with micros, you can start with as little as $2,000, and you can trade several micros. So, all right. Is copper green 500, Justin? Or is it red? Seems like copper was doing well. Nice. Nice, Elizabeth. My admin will respond right away. Yeah, if you guys want more information, just email me. How much bounce? Yep, so I just said that, user. The minimum is $2,000 that you have in your account. $2,000. Nice job, Tom. Also, yep, no less than 2K. No, you cannot do 1K. I literally just said this like 3 different times in a row. AXX. Minimum is $2,000. If you want to use the auto trading algorithm, you need at least $2,000 cash in your account. Or let's talk about this. Today is the last day for the Apex Trader funding sale, you guys. So if you've never heard of a funded program, this is Apex. Apex Trader funding. They will give you a cash account for a very small fee. Right now, they're doing an 80% off sale for the next 12 hours. What you do is you choose the account you want. So let's do it together. About? Where are the plans? Get started. Maybe here. Get started. Here we go. So this is what they give you. This is the one that most of the people in my group do. So a $50,000 cash account, it says it's $167, but with the 80% off, it's $36, you guys. $36, and you get a $50,000 account. But there's also a $25,000 account, which is cheaper, $75,000 account, which is more expensive. And then the rule is you can't hit the trailing drawdown. So Your profit, you have to hit $3,000 to get the cash account, and you can't hit the drawdown, which is $2,500. And it's super easy to do with the algorithm. A bunch of people in my group have successfully passed the evaluation and then gotten cash accounts from it. Like this is an example. This is Tom. You can see all of these accounts he has. Those are all Apex accounts. Every single one. This is an Apex account, $3,300. This is an Apex account, $2,400. So, you know, people turn it, like, look at Carlos. These are all Apex accounts. I think the top is Sim, and then this is a cash account. All of these are Apex accounts. So you can have as many Apex accounts as you want. They allow you to have 20 maximum. Nice. They allow you to have 20 maximum, but today's the last day for their sale. I don't have a referral code, so I don't work for them. I'm not like promoting them for any reason other than I think they're a good company and I think it works well with the algorithm. But yeah, today's the last day for the sale. The code, you have to put in the discount code. The code is SAVE80, SAVE80. And then it's literally $36 for a $50,000 account. You, most of us have passed the evaluation on a $50,000 account in 3 days using the algorithm, and then you get a fully funded cash $50,000 account, which is awesome. And once you build up a nice cushion, like a $5,000 to $10,000 cushion on that account, there's really like no risk, which is so cool. Awesome, Jen. Nice job. So let's see if we can get through this LAS area here. Thanks for following. Yep, I go live every day. Whoa, we're in a $700 long of Santa. Sorry, let me pull this over here. Santa's in this long for $700. Gold is in a long. Gold isn't a long. I am in the gold is green, $130 on this long. So we'll keep it back and forth here, but the Santa is a little more entertaining here. So let's see how Santa plays out. If you want more information, please email me. This is all fully automated. You can tell I didn't even know I was in this trade, because again, it's getting me in even if I'm not looking. If I don't have to be at my computer, I could be sleeping, I could be at the gym, I could be on the road. I have a lot of people that are actually truck drivers. They turn on the algorithm at night and then it trades for them as they're driving during the day. And then they look at their profits at the end. Oh, I just realized something about my 20-minute chart, that I moved this up, but that wasn't this. This was a different target that we had on our call. That's why I was like, wait, I thought my stuff was wrong, but no, it was because we had used something else to figure that out. Nice job. Jared already made $530 manually trading this morning. He's one of my students. Mike already made $660 this morning. Brian already made $3,300 this morning. Tom is probably up like 8,000 at this point. Insane. Insane. What are we in this? Oh my gosh, $1,100 on this Santa long. Let me take a picture. Gold is also still green in this long, $170. We are finally getting some moves. See, and someone in the chat asked, oh, you trade on a CPI day? Obviously. Volatility is our friend. Now, do we trade right on the CPI report? Absolutely not. This is NinjaTrader. If you want more information about using my auto trading algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We are long one contract of the NASDAQ in this trade, just one. So taking this one contract, it costs $1,000, and it's already up more than 100% of that contract. Gold is also green in this long, $250. Love that for gold. Gold is killing it today. Steve, I hope you're still on this. Exactly. Oh my gosh. One of my students was just commenting on the chop zone and how accurate it is. Remember, this is given to my students every morning. Let's go back to Santa. We're still in this long for 1150. Gold is long 400 at this point. What time was CPI? So the CPI report was at 8:30. It's just a report that comes out, so it was over also at 8:30. But, you know, it had like some big moves maybe until like 8:35. So we're still in this long of Santa, $1,200. Yeah, it was this morning, Golf. That was mentioned in the announcement channel twice in the last 24 hours as well. I love it. As well as in the chat from last night. Sorry, I couldn't think of the word I was looking for. There needs to be a drinking game for every time you say this is NinjaTrader or I only trade futures. Yeah, we had a bingo card that Jen made. Can I? No, I don't. No, I like my clicky keyboard. That's the whole point. My computer came with a silent keyboard, and then I bought a clicky keyboard on purpose. I know it's not a big thing for everyone. Look at this 520. Can we talk about the support on this pullback at 520? Y'all, you see that red line? No, I don't. Green, $1,500 in this long. Yo, we got some huge trades today. This is one contract. This costs $1,000. I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this trade. And now I'm up $1,500. Gold is guaranteed green on this long. Somebody else posted in results. Mike is up $1,100 on the day. Nice job, Mike. And now we're green $1,600 on this long. See, and the thing about this that sucks is I can't take videos for this for social media. Like, I would have to rerun this on replay because I'm live on my phone. I need like a second phone, third phone. Offset is at 8,654. Y'all, I can't. It's going off my screen. Like, that's how much Santa's running. $2,000 here. $2,000 on this long. Yes, everyone from every country can join. Like, I've had people from South Africa, the UK, um, Australia, the Netherlands, the UK. Yeah. All you have to do is go to NinjaTrader and yeah, that's the next target, 650 for sure. All you have to do is go to NinjaTrader. Is the bot resetting the stop loss? Yes. This is a trail. The stop loss is just at an offset. This is the trail stop up here. So don't worry. When it pulls down and these both turn red, then it will take me out of the trade. Correct. Yeah, huge, huge, huge win. Also, we're in a $700 long of gold, you guys. And this was right after there was a $1,400 short of gold. This is gold. Like, insane. Do you see this? $720 on gold. I really hope you gold folks are still in this trade. Gold is up like at easily $1,500 today. Thank you. So again, like just this morning, this is $2,000. We're up $1,500 on gold and up another $1,200 on fast. Just that right there is like $5,000, and the cost of my algorithm is $500 for the first month. So the first 21 days. So if you want to try it, I think it's worth it. Please give a thumbs up. Please tap that screen. Send some likes. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. So I'm going to be wrapping up in a little bit. Nice job, Carlos. $27 Lee made $1,100. That's one of my students. Nice job, Lee. Y'all are smoking. Nice job. Apex just sent a thing. So we'll see. If this turns red, it will exit the trade on its own. Gary in the chat on TikTok just said the algo is worth every penny. Yep, Gary's one of my students, and he uses the algorithm. We are green $830 on gold, you guys. This is one contract of gold. One contract, $800. While we're in the NASDAQ, this is what I'm saying. You run multiple contracts at the same time. Multiple products. This is the NASDAQ. This is gold. We're now green $930 on gold. We're still in this long of the NASDAQ, $2,000. Yes, you can, like, you could choose to take 10 contracts on this. If you did that, you'd be green $20,000. I trade one just to keep it simple so people can see what things look like. Tom is taking 2 contracts on gold right now. So I'm up $1,000 on one gold. He's up $2,100 on 2 gold contracts. So yes, in the settings, you choose how many contracts you want to run. If you want more information, just email me, please, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I should take a picture of this gold too, because that's fire. $1,000 on this gold long. Everything's running today. Fast, Santa, gold. Gold is up almost $2,000 on the day. With this trade here. Again, this is all because of Dana. Dana, I love you. Come kiss your face. Still in this long of Santa. Let's go back and look at the higher time frame. This is the chop zone. Again, my students took the short out of the chop zone, made money there. And then they took the long out of the chop zone, and clearly they've made money there. This is our ultimate target for today. This 650 area. Well, I replied to her story. I'm not sure what that means. Do you think we're back in a bull market? I don't really focus on that. I just do day to day. All you have to do is email me, Joish. If you want more information, email me. That's the easiest way. Because even if you DM me or comment on my story, I'm still going to say, what's your email? I need to email you more information. So, just as a heads up. Big move here. $2,100 on this. Fast made $2,000 before. That was 932 to 942. David is live with Santa on this $2,200 trade. Gold is killing it for sure. Gold is still green, $1,100 in this long. Nope, I don't do tickers. I don't trade stocks. I only trade futures, the NASDAQ, gold, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell. Waiting on my VPS account to be set up. Well, just HP, make sure you reach out to, it takes 6 to 8 hours, but if it's been longer than that, then please just reach out. They have a live chat on their website. Marco is really awesome. So yeah, we're still in this gold trade, guys, over here. $1,100 on gold and $2,000 on this Santa. If I was someone that wanted to touch this, I would have probably moved my stop up here. I think this area is going to give us a hard way, and it's already up, you know, $2,200 at that point. So could easily do something like this if you wanted to, but it's totally up to you if you want to do Apex or fund your account. You can actually do both and use both at the same time on the algorithm. So, and the Apex sale ends today. So if you want to take advantage of Apex, you would want to get Apex today, and then you could always fund your own account, you know, over the next week, because you have to get approved. You have to get approved, and then you have to get, you have to fund it, and all of that. $1,430 on gold. That's insane. Y'all, gold is killing. It's still in this long for $1,000, and we're still in this long as well. And NQ on this other one that I'm testing is also 2 for 2 for $2,000. Seriously, it's for the greater good. It's so awesome, data. All right, so now both of these have turned red. Well, the candles. Yeah, it's just Apex Trader Funding. APEX Trader Funding. This is it. ApexTraderFunding.com. And the sale is only for the next 11 hours. It says on their website. And the coupon code is SAVE80, SAVE80. Juan said, "Hi Lauren, thank you. I made $1,100 when you put it on my Apex account, trying to pass evaluations and come back to you." Sounds good, but you could also use it on the evaluation in the algorithm. Oh my gosh, y'all, we pushed through. Santa is still in this long. I'm trying to stretch it out so you can see the entry, but like, it's not even a thing at this point. $2,400. Thank you. I said, love your stuff. I appreciate you. $2,500 on this long. So you sign up for Apex first, and then you sign up for the algorithm. Again, you need to email me, Gadhead, to get the discounted link for the algorithm. We're still in this gold trade, green, $1,000. Juan said, thank God for the membership. Yay. This is what I'm saying. All I do is ask you guys to tap the screen, send some likes, give a thumbs up. Juan, did you give a thumbs up on the stream? If you're on your cell phone, rotate it the long way and then give a thumbs up, because you won't see it if you have it the sideways way. Oh, pink is in a $2,000 trade too. I don't even have pink set up today. I know Justin does. Pink is green, $2,000. Nice. Oh yeah. We're green $1,200 on gold now, you guys. Y'all, these are just not stopping. 1,200 on gold. 2,500 on Santa. So you get the algorithm by emailing me. Yep. So just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The only thing you need to worry about is getting your Apex account and then using the discounted link, because my website does not have the discounted link. Oh my gosh, this is so funny in chat. I really appreciate you. Thanks. I appreciate me too. All right, it locked up that trade. Do you see that long green string? And now it's in a short, and it's green in the short. Santa is green, $1,960 on the day, and this is a guaranteed green short. Yeah, can we get CPI every day? That's a good point. Also, Fast is in a $500 trade. I think it's in the short. Fast is in a $500 short here. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I might stay on a little longer today. We will see. RTY is going to be taking a trade here shortly. Santa's not in any trades right now. Fast is still in that short. Oh my gosh. ACH is green, $1,875 just on gold. Gary said 1K a day keeps the job away. It's true. It's true. So you can see here, ACH is green, $1,875 with this open gold trade. Gold is still in this long, $1,200. Gary made $1,175. Carlos made $1,430. And he made $90 in cash. Lee made $1,100. Mike is green, $1,100. Jared is green, $500. Mike is green, $990. It's been a great morning. The NASDAQ is already up for like $6,000. And that's on like one mini, which is insane. It's on 3 different strategies, but each of them are all green, $2,000 each. And then we are green on gold, almost $2,000 as well. And that's on one contract. And we are in this short still of Fast, which is guaranteed green. Santa's not in any trades right now. Let's go back to the 20-minute chart. So this is exactly where we wanted the market to go today. And it hit both of our targets. And this is what we do on the student call in the morning. We have an option for moving down and we have an option for moving up. We hit the short first and now we hit the long. If you want more information either on my mentorship or the algorithm, which automatically trades for you, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Thanks, Juan. You're awesome. Yeah, if everybody just taps that screen, sends a like, that would be appreciated. And if you give a thumbs up in the YouTube chat, that would be awesome. Gold is still in this long. I can put this in the forefront. This is this and Fast. Fast is still in the short. Gold is still in the long. And again, you could this is the stop loss, which is in the green. This is a trailing stop loss, and then this is a hard stop. You could take the hard stop and move it up to here if you wanted to, and then you're like, oh, okay, well, I'm guaranteeing myself whatever, $800 or whatever it might be. But I'd like to give it room. The trailing stop will do its job, so I like to give it room, let it kind of bounce back and forth, and figure itself out. Nice job, David. David's keeping that profit of Santa. He made over $2,000 today. I think he even might have scaled up. We are moving. This is NinjaTrader. If you email me, Brandon, you've been on the stream a while. If you email me, the recommendation of VPS is in the email. I'm getting my nails done today, guys. What color should I get? Well, I think I've already decided what I'm getting anyway. But you guys can try to give me your recommendations. What color would you get if you were getting your nails done today? And don't say red or pink. That's just so corny. Santa's in a short. Fast is still in the short. So you can see how it curled up. It almost hit the $75 offset, and then it came right back down, and now it's green $530. You guys kill me. So we'll keep an eye on gold. It's still green $1,000. Fast is in this short. Santa's in this short. And that's about it right now. Yep. Clear to white tips. I like that. That sounds like white with flowers is what I do. Yeah, but I might do just like a clear, like a beige, whatever. I like skin tones the best. Like they're just shiny and clean and so nice. YM is in a short. So YM's in a short. Fast is in a short, green 600. Santa's in a short, green 200. Gold is still in the long, green 950. I have all of my charts over here now. This is YM. So YM is the Dow. This is fast. It's green $800 on this short. 850. Yeah, French manicure is nice for sure. For sure. Oh, it took profit. It spiked up there. All right, Fast took profit on that short. I was like, what? So did Santa. Santa took the offset. Gold is still in this long, $920. This is NinjaTrader. Yep, I've said it about 10 times right here. It's NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader if you want to use my algorithm. NinjaTrader. YM is still in the short. Gold nails. Banana nail polish. Maroon. Maroon's too dark. Listen, it's sunny out. Spring is coming. I'll probably just do what I already thought I was gonna do. Bingo. I know. It's so much to put in front of the screen. Yeah, I type a lot. Gabriel, you can just right click and go to performance. Or do you mean mine? I'm assuming you mean yours, like your personal profit factor. I need to make actually a few calls this morning, and then I need to get my nails done. So we're still in this gold. And I type fast. Listen, don't be jealous. I know there's a lot of people out here that type with one finger and go very, very slow. Oh, I just took away my streaming message. I'm not that person. I type very fast and I'm very efficient with my typing. And I actually enjoy typing. It makes me feel good. And I know it's loud. But okay, yeah, you said email sent like twice now, Brandon. Brandon, if I scroll up here, you said I'll email now. I don't know if you need to say I'll email now and then 2 minutes later say email sent. Again, my admin will respond. She is on top of her job, I promise you. If she's not, I would be yelling at her because I'd love to yell. And she will send you the informational email. The link will be in there. Remember, Apex sale ends today. Gold tips, baby. Good idea. So she will be emailing you, and then you can review the information. After I get off of this call, I need to make a few phone calls. After we get off this live stream, I need to make a few phone calls. Then I need to go get my nails done. I have a student session this afternoon. Green tips. Well, I have green right now. I didn't know this was like Philadelphia green, but that's what I already had. And this was kind of dark too, so I definitely want to go back to light. I prefer lighter nails over darker nails. And I only do red for Christmas. That's the only time I do red. I used to date this guy that said that red nails scared him. Like, he literally thought they were like the devil. Like, he'd be like, no, do not get red nails. Like, come on, they look pretty. Like, I feel like my hands, like, I look nice with red nails, but it's not something I want to do all the time. Oh, let's update Santa because Santa is doing really well now. 2210. Sorry, corporate mentality. I've always go. No, I like it. I would prefer that than people like leaving me hanging, honestly. But she'll reply to you. And then everything is in that email. So the discounted link is in there. If you're using Apex, the only thing you need is the chart VPS. So that's the VPS information. There's a link for the VPS. And that's a discounted amount too. It's $50 a month for the basic one. I have the $80 a month one. Most people in my group have the $50 a month one. And you can always upgrade later down the road if you feel like you want something faster or with more storage or whatever. Is the cost of your algo a tax write-off? That if you talk to your CPA and he says so, then it could be. I have several people in my group that use it as a tax write-off. But again, I'm not a CPA. I can't advise on anything tax related. So please ask your CPA. Yeah. A funded trader account means this company is giving you a fully funded cash account for you to trade with. And there's no responsibility on your end other than the fee for the trading account, which right now is $36, which is why we've been talking about it so much. Apex Trader Funding. The sale ends tonight. This is their website, and I don't have an affiliate with them. I just think they're a good company. The sale ends in 11 hours. Apex Trader Funding. You get, most people in my group do the $50,000 account. So you get a $50,000 cash account after you pass the evaluation. The evaluation just requires you to make $3,000 on the account and to not hit the trailing threshold of $2,500, which is easily done in 1 or 2 days using the algorithm. That's what most of my members have do. I can pass FT. Yes, you can. You can use it on the algorithm. It will trade for you. It will get all of that done. What was that noise? One second. All right, I'm back. Gold is still in that trade. I'm not really sure why I'm on this one. Gold is still in this trade, $800. You can see it's curling down here. Obviously, if you wanted to take profit here earlier, you could have. YM is in that short still. Green, $100. We can look at YM. We haven't been on YM all day because it only had one trade earlier. Who's hosting in chat? Nice. Steve made $1,380 on gold. Very nice, Steve. Happy to see that. Do I get a step-by-step guide? Yes, exactly, you do. You get a step-by-step guide. So YM just moved its stop loss. As soon as you join the group, you are sent an invitation to Slack, which is kind of like a Discord. And once you come into Slack, you are given a welcome message by my admin. And in the welcome message, it has videos, which gives you step-by-step instructions. And then you are given my onboarding specialist, who is a different admin. So Amy is the first contact, and then Irma will be your second contact. She is the onboarding specialist. She gets everything handled for my new members. Make sure you're set up properly. Make sure everything looks good. It's all a white glove service. That's kind of what I specialize in. So, yes. I wonder if... So, yeah, the answer is yes. We're in this short of YM. Will I be able to use it? Yes. That's exactly what we were talking about, Gadhead. Exactly. We have all used it to pass evaluation, and then we've also used it to on our funded accounts. Green, $400 on this YM short here. It's okay, Steve. No worries. You don't have to apologize. Santa is in this trade. Oh, is this fast? No, fast isn't a long now. Fast is really flipping it around. Did YM take profit? No, YM is still in this short. Santa just took profit on this short. Yep, Mike just said it's worth every penny. Joining. Yep, Mike is already in the group. Green on this fast. What's our 20-minute look like? We look like this. So Santa is now green, $2,685 on the day. Nice. YM is still in the short. Let's watch YM because this is only the second trade on YM today. $400 here. I say 2,685. Oh, gold took profit, so it took profit on that long. So with the Apex, we have more information in the group, but you only pay monthly if you don't pass the evaluation. So it's really easy to pass the evaluation, but what you would pay monthly is whatever you pay today. So like the 80% discount, your monthly subscription is $36. So if for some reason you didn't pass the evaluation, then yes, next month they would charge you $36. But if you pass the evaluation, you then have a fully funded account and you don't pay a monthly subscription at all. And Apex is the company that will cover your your market data is through Apex. Whoa, look at this short on YM. And your the license that you need for NinjaTrader. So if you don't use Apex, you then have to either lease or buy the license for NinjaTrader. But if you use Apex, that's included in your $36 evaluation. It also includes the market data. On NinjaTrader, you have to pay for market data, which is $12 a month. So A lot of things are included if you go the Apex route, which is really nice. All right, I'm going to get off of here. It's 10:30. Well, we can maybe see how this YM trade plays out since I was a little late today. And then, do you have classes where you teach? Yes, I do. Load them. I do. If you go to my website, boldanalysisllc.com, I have information there on my mentorship. It's 16 one-hour videos. You get 1 month in the group for free, where you get to, communicate with all of my other students. We have a private call every single morning, Monday through Friday. You get manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get the chop zone and the LIS, which are on my other charts here. That is this. This is the chop zone. This is the LIS. They're very strong levels and proprietary zones. And then, yeah. And you get access to the videos for life. You can watch them as many times as you want. So when I passed the funded account in the first 3 days, I could trade $50,000 for myself. Yes, that's exactly how it works. They require that you actually trade 7 days minimum, but that just means that those other 4 days you would just take like 1 micro and then turn it off for the day, and that would count as a trading day. So yeah, again, if when you join the group, we have an Apex thread. No joke, it has like 400 replies. Let me show you. It has 655 replies. Look at this Apex thread. This was started Tuesday, January 27th. There's 655 replies. Everyone in the group, even if you have a cash account, everyone has added a Apex account because it's freaking $36 for a $50,000 cash account. Like, it's amazing. Yep. So Juan, if you don't pass the evaluation, it's going to be $36 the next month to try it again. If you want to reset in the middle of the month, then it's like $80 or something. So most people will just, if there's a sale still going on, they would just take advantage of the sale and just get a new account. Yeah, it's a really awesome concept. Obviously, you have to be diligent to understand what's going on. Like, that's why it's best with people that use the algorithm, because then you don't have to really worry about too much. But if you also know a little bit about trading, it's easy. It's really easy to do. Carter just said it's really easy to pass with the bot. It really is. Pretty much everyone in the group has done it. Seriously, even people in my group that have like a $50,000 cash account, they're like, oh, well, I might as well add an Apex account. It's literally $36. Like, you're paying $36 to get a chance at having a $50,000 account. Like, that's huge. Also, like, this trade right here would have you a third of the way to pass the evaluation. This is what I'm saying. The risk on this trade was $200. So remember, you have a trailing drawdown of $2,500. This would have never gotten anywhere close to that because the risk is $200 on this trade. And now there's no more risk because we're in the green and this is just still going, $900 short. So to purchase the bot, you need to just email me. The discounted link is in the email. Just email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. But yeah, look, green $1,000 on this short now on YM. And this is just one strategy. You guys saw earlier, I'm up over $1,000 on gold. So today you could have passed the whole evaluation by running 1 gold, 1 YM, and 1 NQ. And you would have already been over that $3,000 profit margin. You know what I'm saying? So you hit that $3,000 on your first day. Okay, well then you need to just trade a micro for the next 6 sessions, and that's it. Okay, so load, just go to my website and purchase the mentorship and you will understand. How is the bot? What does that even mean, Brown? How is the bot? Like, how is it doing? It's doing great. We are green, $3, $4, like $5,000, $6,000 on the day. YM is in this short. Also NQ, is that FAST? FAST is in the short for $1,200 as well. So this is the NASDAQ, and the other one was the YM, which is the Dow. So the Dow, this is one contract of the Dow. This cost me $500 to take this trade, and I'm up 200% on that. and the risk was $200. All you have to do is email me for more information. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Everything is fire today. Like this is what we were seeing in November and December, and January was kind of a little lackluster, but we're back. The scalper seems to be back, yeah? Now we have a nice picture of YM today too. They're going to sell it all back. Never fails report, yeah. Nope, so the cost of the algorithm is $500 for the first 3 weeks. So 21 days, you get to try it out for $500. If you like it, it's $1,000 every month after that. If you don't like it, you can cancel at any time, and then you never get charged again. We're $1,300 on the short with fast. That's this. Remember, this is the NASDAQ. I do not have a Telegram. No, I am not in crypto. This is not, no. And I don't have an FX book because I don't trade forex. These are futures, no. What I have is 220 happy members that use this algorithm every single day, and I have YouTube videos of me going live for the past 2 years if you want to go check them out. Yes, you 100%, Elixo, I feel like you emailed me yesterday. You 100% need a VPS if you only have a Mac computer. NinjaTrader does not run on PCs. You have to have a Mac computer. We are in the short for $1,600. This is a $1,000 margin trade. So it cost me $1,000. I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this trade. And from that $1,000, I've now made it an extra $1,500. YM only costs $500 to take the trade, and I'm green $1,200 on this YM short. Yeah, I know. I used to do that. I used to have a sign that said, I don't trade crypto, I don't trade whatever. Y'all, this is futures. I only trade futures. If anybody follows you or DMs you, it's in the process right now. Okay, yeah. If anybody follows you after this live stream or DMs you and it looks like me, it's not me. Don't fall for their crypto BS. Because I hate crypto and I'll never support crypto. $1,400 on this YM short. $2,000 on this short of fast. You guys, when did this get in the short? It got in the short at 10:33. What time is it now? 10:40. 7 minutes, $2,000. One contract. I know it seems crazy, but this is all thanks to CPI, really. Volatility is our friend. Look at this. Look at these moves today. We want it all day. YM is still in this short, $1,300. Remember, VPS takes 6 to 8 hours to complete. If you want that Apex account, you have to purchase it within the next 11 hours. I think the sale ends at like 9 p.m. tonight. So be careful not to wait too late if you're thinking about getting a Apex account. $1,300 on this short. I really wish I was able to like screen record. $2,000 on, let me move Santa out of the way because Santa's not in any trades. And I have too many charts here. Fast is still in the short for $2,000. So NASDAQ, this is one contract of the NASDAQ, $2,000. The YM is the Dow. That's a totally separate product. So you could be trading both of these at the same time. That's $3,500 right there on 2 trades. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. I'm staying on a little later today just because we have these trades. Like this was only at $400 a few minutes ago. And I was like, oh, I'm going to get off. And then I stayed on. So this is exciting. $1,400 on the short on YM. Oh, this is like a 10-minute trade. Right? When did this get short? Oh, no, this one got short a little earlier. 20. So 20-minute trade, $1,400. Gold's in a short? Oh, my gold's not in a short. All right, I'm probably going to get off of here. I don't want monthly subscription for bot. Can I buy the bot full price? Yeah, full price is going to be like, you know, I don't know, a bunch of money. Email me and ask me. It's not going to be cheap. The monthly subscription is $1,000. So, you know, just kind of think in your head, what would somebody do if they were going to sell it outright for a lifetime subscription? She said 100K. It might not be that much. I sell a yearly subscription. You could do a yearly subscription. Everyone's saying 100K. He said I would. Yeah, I know, it's smart, right? But I don't know. Well, anyway, I sold a yearly subscription for $10,000. So you get 2 months for free. If you want to do the yearly subscription, obviously you could start with that, whatever. But it's a one-time payment of $10,000, and then you get 2 months for free, which I think is pretty generous. And I had like 5 people take advantage of that back in December. All right, so YM's probably going to wrap it up here. I'm going to get off. I would sell it for that much. All right, I'm going to get off, or 99,000. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Thanks for joining. Where should I trade with? Now, all you do is email me, Gray. The first step is to email me. Sorry, my email went away. boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's also in my bio. Please check there. All right. Have a great day, guys. I'm going to get off of here. I appreciate you joining. Signing up Friday. Nice. Sounds good. I'll be live tomorrow. Again, I'm live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. Please give me a follow. Tap that screen. Send some likes. We had a really good stream today. Please give some thumbs up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bye. YouTube, I'm going to post really quickly on here. All right, YouTube, have a great day. Bye.